DAD Automation, your automation partner.
Welcome to DAD Automation. In this video, we will learn about photoelectric sensors and how they work in industrial automation systems. We will understand the basic working principle, different sensor types, and common industrial applications. Photoelectric sensors are widely used in factories to detect objects without physical contact, making them fast, reliable, and suitable for modern automation systems. A photoelectric sensor is an electronic device that detects objects using a beam of light. Unlike mechanical switches, the sensor does not need physical contact with the object. This makes it faster, more reliable, and suitable for high-speed industrial applications. A photoelectric sensor mainly consists of three parts. First, the emitter generates a light beam, usually infrared or visible red light. Second, the receiver detects the light coming from the emitter. Third, the output circuit changes the electrical output when an object interrupts or reflects the light beam. These sensors are widely used in conveyor systems, packaging machines, counting systems, and automated production lines. Photoelectric sensors offer several important advantages that make them widely used in modern industrial automation systems. The first feature is non-contact detection. The sensor can detect an object without physically touching it. This reduces mechanical wear and increases the lifetime of the system. It also allows the sensor to detect delicate, hot, or fast-moving objects safely and accurately. The second feature is fast response time. Photoelectric sensors can detect objects within milliseconds. This makes them ideal for high-speed conveyor systems, packaging machines, bottling plants, and automated production lines where quick detection is very important. Another major advantage is long-distance detection. Depending on the sensor type, objects can be detected from a few millimeters up to several meters away. This allows flexible installation in large industrial machines and conveyor systems. Photoelectric sensors are also widely used in industrial automation. They are commonly used for object counting, position detection, sorting systems, material handling, robotic systems, and safety monitoring applications. Because of their high speed, reliability, and non-contact operation, photoelectric sensors are one of the most commonly used sensors in factories and automated machines today. Photoelectric sensors are mainly divided into three different types based on how the light beam travels between the emitter, receiver, and the target object. The first type is the through-beam sensor. In a through-beam photoelectric sensor, the emitter and receiver are placed separately facing each other. The emitter continuously sends a light beam directly to the receiver. When an object passes between them, the light beam is interrupted. As soon as the receiver no longer detects the light, the sensor changes its output signal. This type provides the longest sensing distance and very reliable detection because the receiver gets a strong direct beam from the emitter. Through-beam sensors are commonly used in conveyor systems, object counting, and industrial automation applications. The second type is the retroreflective sensor. In a retroreflective photoelectric sensor, the emitter and receiver are built into the same sensor housing. A reflector is placed opposite the sensor. The emitter sends a light beam toward the reflector, and the reflector sends the light back to the receiver. When an object blocks the light path, the reflected beam cannot return to the receiver. The sensor then changes its output state. Retroreflective sensors are easier to install because only one sensor unit needs wiring. They are widely used in packaging systems, bottle detection, and conveyor applications. The third type is the diffuse reflective sensor. In a diffuse reflective photoelectric sensor, both the emitter and receiver are inside the same sensor body. The emitter sends light toward the target object. When the object enters the sensing area, the light reflects directly from the object's surface back to the receiver. The sensor detects this reflected light and changes its output signal. This type does not require a separate reflector or receiver, making installation simple and compact. However, the sensing distance is shorter because detection depends on how much light is reflected from the object surface. Diffuse reflective sensors are commonly used for presence detection and short-distance industrial applications. In this video, we will explore how each sensor works step by step and where they are commonly used in industrial automation. This diagram explains the difference between syncing and sourcing PLC input connections using PNP and NPN sensors. In the top section, a syncing input card is connected to a PNP sensor. The PNP sensor provides a positive 24-volt output when activated. Current flows from the sensor into the PLC input terminal, which is why it is called a syncing input configuration. The power supply positive terminal is connected to the sensor, while the negative terminal is connected to the PLC common line. This setup is commonly used in industrial automation systems because PNP sensors are widely preferred for safety and compatibility. In the bottom section, a sourcing input card is connected to an NPN sensor. The NPN sensor provides a 0-volt output when activated. In this case, the PLC input card supplies the positive voltage, and the sensor creates the path to ground. That is why this is called a sourcing input configuration. To summarize, PNP sensors work with syncing PLC inputs, and NPN sensors work with sourcing PLC inputs. Understanding these connections is important for correct PLC wiring and reliable sensor operation in automation systems. Through-beam photoelectric sensor applications. Through-beam photoelectric sensors are mainly used in conveyor systems, product counting, machine safety systems, and long-distance object detection. They are commonly used in packaging industries, automotive factories, warehouses, and material handling systems because of their high accuracy and reliable detection. Retroreflective photoelectric sensor applications. Retroreflective photoelectric sensors are commonly used in bottle detection systems, packaging machines, labeling systems, automatic doors, elevators, and warehouse automation. They are popular because they are easy to install and suitable for medium-range object detection. Diffuse reflective photoelectric sensor applications. Diffuse reflective photoelectric sensors are mainly used for short-distance object detection in conveyors, assembly machines, robotic systems, and packaging equipment. They are widely used for presence detection, part positioning, and automation tasks due to their simple installation and low cost.